In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys one of the best keyboards with the best bang for your buck that anyone's seen in a long time. Now, let's roll the brand new intro. Hey guys, if we're just meeting, I'm Ethan, and today I'm going to be reviewing the keyboard that's in the title. I don't want to go through that long name because it's really annoying to say every time, but I know Redragon is kind of a controversial company known for being a little bit cheaper, but this keyboard definitely proves those people wrong because of the features, and if you can get it for around 60 bucks or cheaper, it is totally worth it. This video is not sponsored by Redragon. No one would want to sponsor my channel anyway, and I'm going to show you 5 reasons why you should buy it. Guys, I've been kind of dumb in this video, and I forgot to kind of actually be able to let you see the keyboard behind me. So if I'm just going to be turning around and randomly pointing at something, but you can't even see it behind me, it's my keyboard, just trust me, alright? The first reason why I would say you should buy this keyboard is the money. Obviously, because that is what I've been going on about. You can buy this keyboard on Amazon for around $65, but if you can get a good deal like me for around $50 something, it is a crazy deal, let me tell you that. I really do think it's worth it, and hopefully you do too. So let's get on to reason 2 now. Okay guys, so reason 2 is actually because of the keyboard's construction or the design of it, and mainly it's because of the metal backplate behind all the switches and everything. It is really nice to have because it's super sturdy, and it's also not super hard to clean in my opinion. It's not like brushed aluminum where stuff gets stuck in there all the time. It's just a nice strong plate that won't break if you rage a lot. I mean, hopefully you don't rage enough to where you'll actually break it. But another thing is that the keys on it are hot swappable, so you can take them out and replace them with other ones that you like, which actually brings us on to reason 3, the key switches. Okay, so reason 3 is that the key switches on this keyboard are mechanical. I know that's really big for a lot of people who want a nice keyboard for gaming or really whatever. The Vata has a lot of cool features with the keys. They are RGB keys, and they also are blue keys. Now there's a catch. This keyboard only comes with blue keys. I know, it kind of sucks, but they're hot swappable like I said, so it really doesn't matter. You can always swap them out, and Redragon gave you this little key pack that you can replace some of the keys if you want to, if some of them break or you just don't like the feel of a few blue keys. Okay guys, so now here's a quick sound test of what the Outemu blue switches that come with this keyboard sound like. But now it's time to go on to reason 4. Alright guys, so reason 4 is the RGB on this thing. If you're an RGB fanatic, this thing is also good for you. It's good for a lot of people, I'll say that. But it has 2 side RGB panels. That's the main difference with this and most keyboards, is that the keyboard has full RGB on the sides of the keyboard, so it can illuminate your desk, which is really cool. And then it has the full RGB through all the mechanical keys, which is really nice. The keycaps are actually clear, so the letters and numbers, you can see right through them with the light. So overall, this keyboard's really bright. Definitely a ton of different modes. It's got built-in mode changing, and I just can't show it all in one video, but I'll try to show a few of them. But on to reason number 5. Okay guys, so the big one, the main reason why a lot of people might like this keyboard is not just the price and all the other stuff, but it's because of the media keys and the macro keys. This thing has 5 built-in macro keys, and it's got onboard recording, which is pretty nuts at this price. And then it also comes with a built-in volume slider adjuster, which is nice. And then it has all your media keys like play and pause, fast forward, rewind, all this good stuff on a keyboard that you can, depending, get around 50 bucks. Yeah, overall it's a really good deal, and definitely this is why you should buy it. Alrighty guys, well that's it for the 5 reasons why you should buy this keyboard. Now, I know there are plenty of reasons why you might not like it, but there's a ton more why I think you should. But other than that, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell to get every single new upload that I make. And now, I might be seeing some new faces soon because I'm probably going to be releasing my channel on Instagram, but I'm not really sure when that's happening. So, until then, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.